Yes, hello kids, how are you all? Must be very fine. I'm also good here. So today's topic is uses of plants. As I'm showing you, uses of plants. This is a picture of a tree, and below I've kept some plants over here. So this is a topic in GK we are having. आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे what are the things we get from plants and trees, right? So just see the video very carefully and remember the things what all we get from the trees and plants, how they are useful to us, what are the things we get from them, and we should really very take care of these plants and trees because they are our life. If they are not here, we can't be able to exist life in the earth, right? So let's see what are the things we get. Okay, just come. First I'll show you this. See, these are the animals, as you can see, है ना? Buffalo, zebra, sheep, cow. So what they do when they want to relax and want to have some rest, they just come near the shed of a tree so that they can be relieved of having a cool wind. They can sit and relax, they can sleep also. So trees give shelter to animals, right? I'll also show you the birds are having nest. See how the birds, they make their nest where? On the trees. See, this is a bird here, है ना? Birds nest कहाँ बनाती है? Trees में, right? So trees provide shelter to birds and animals, right? Now next, see, this is what? An indoor game, है ना? This is a carrom board, very common game of indoor. So this is carrom board is also made up of what? Wood. Yes. See, in your classes we have your weather chart also, that is also made up of wood. So these are the things we get, and some more many things we get from plants and trees, right? We get vegetables. We get vegetables, fruits. See, this is pumpkin. This is capsicum, corn, है ना? This is orange, custard apple, grapes, sweet lime, and in vegetables, all kinds of vegetables and fruits we get from plants only, right? And after that, this is what? Cotton, है ना? ये कॉटन जब आपकी चोट लग जाती है तो आप किसका इस्तेमाल करते हो? कॉटन का. We get medicines. This is medicine. This is also medicine. And this is what? A perfume. Perfume also we get from plants only. आपको पता है जो ऑयल होता है वो भी हमको प्लांट से मिलता है. जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में फ्लावर्स का जब पढ़ाया था तो आपको बताया था सनफ्लावर की सीड्स, मस्टर्ड ऑयल. तो वो मस्टर्ड ऑयल आपके घर में कहाँ से आता है? वो सनफ्लावर के जो सीड्स मस्टर्ड्स होते हैं उसके सीड्स को हम उसको पीसते हैं, फिर उसका ऑयल निकलता है और उस ऑयल को हम घर लाते हैं, उसमें हम खाना बनाते हैं. इट्स मेंट फॉर कुकिंग, है ना? एंड वी गेट पेजेस. फ्रॉम वेयर डू यू गेट योर नोटबुक्स एंड बुक्स? फ्रॉम पेपर, एंड पेपर इज मेड फ्रॉम ट्रीज. उसका एक ये जो कागज होता है ये भी हमें प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज से ही मिलता है ना? आपकी यूज करने वाले पेंसिल्स आपको कहाँ से मिलती हैं? वुड से मिलती हैं, है ना? एंड आइसक्रीम स्टिक्स ऑल्सो विच वी मेक, we do an activity using pop sticks or ice cream sticks. We have done so many things from ice cream sticks. And see, this is what? Jute. And from where we do get jute? From bamboo. And bamboo is also kind of a plant, है ना? इस bamboo plant से हमको jute मिलता है और this is a jute row from where we have made a decorative item. See, so many flowers, है ना? From where do we get these flowers? From plants itself, है ना? हमने इतने सारे flowers, vegetable, fruits पढ़े, हमने आपको बताया ना वो कहाँ से मिलते हैं? Plants से, है ना? So we can have some more decorative items, like I have this pen stand. I can keep this pen stand. See, this is a pen holder. This is a pen holder. One of the students gave me a gift in a teacher's day. Pen is also from wood. Some of the pen, not all the pens. है ना? This is what? A calendar stand. See, this is also made from wood. See, all these things I have assembled for you people to see, to have, to learn, to what you get from things. See, this is a trophy or a shield. From where this is made from? This is made from wood, है ना? जो बड़ी बड़ी शील्ड्स होती है, जैसे आपने स्पोर्ट्स में जो आप जीतते हो, बड़ी बड़ी शील्ड्स मिलती है, दैट इज ऑल्सो मेड फ्रॉम वुड ओनली. See, so many flowers are there to have. We have so many flowers we get from plants only, right? And what else I can show you? Yes, the main thing is that table. We get furniture. This is table. See, this is your classroom. From where this tables and chairs made from? From wood. This is your bench, right? This is your table you get from wood. And see, this is your cupboard, है ना? This is your cupboard, classroom cupboards. All you get from wood. This is all made from wood. Your window is also made from wood. Your door is also made from wood. See, I have made this attendance chart. These all are made up from wood. And you know, some of the houses made from bamboos, from woods,